I think at this point, I am going to start vlogging. Because what? For a long time now, something about my footage felt off. This is one of the reasons why I continue to shoot talking head style videos. Every time I try to shoot outdoor content in S-Log3, no matter what I did in post, the image felt flat, digital, nothing like the beautiful images that made me fall in love with filmmaking in the first place. So I started searching for answers, and every time I watched a YouTube video and thought, that looks incredible, the same name kept coming up, DaVinci Resolve. It was like everyone doing something cinematic was using DaVinci Resolve. But then I found out that other Final Cut Pro users were achieving the same cinematic look. So I knew it wasn't just about switching to another editing software. I tried lot packs. My videos kinda looked better, but still something was missing. The more I searched, the clearer it became. The missing piece wasn't a lot. It was film emulation. I saw recommendations everywhere, but one name kept pulling me back. Dehancer. Not because of hype, but because of how it works. No complicated nodes, no endless tweaking, just sliders and immediate results. It has a lot of film stocks to choose from, and they are still adding more. Real film grain. Grain that isn't just slapped on top, but reacts like film. There's bloom, halation, just name it. It felt alive. For me, it was the final piece of the puzzle. Now I can shoot simple vlog style content and still give it a cinematic character. Even pro colorists use Dehancer in their workflow for film emulation. I must warn you though that the film grain, bloom, and halation, they are power hungry and they can slow down your computer. So the way I do this is by adding those last on an adjustment layer. But to be fair, I'm running on the base Mac Mini. This entire video was color graded using Dehancer in Final Cut Pro. Yes, Final Cut Pro. And this isn't sponsored. I just genuinely love what this plugin does. And because of that, I went out shooting all manner of things just to test it out. Thank you to Dehancer for letting me test this plugin. If you want to learn more about Dehancer, you will find the link in the description. There are a lot of tutorials out there on how to use it. There is a 10% off if you use my code in the description below. That's it for today. More content coming soon. Bye.